Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. On today's video, we're going to learn how to download videos from AliExpress. So if you're a virtual assistant or you own an e-commerce store, you might want to download a video from AliExpress. It is a bit difficult to do, but in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it in less than 2 minutes. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. So the first thing you need to do is go to AliExpress and locate any product you want to download the video. So for this product, I want to download this video. So what I simply do is right click on the video just like this and scroll down to inspect. This will promptly open the code page for the video. So all you need to do is look through the code, and where you have code wrap, just click on it. Click on the drop down and to simply open the video link. So now you can see the video link. All you need to do is right click on the video link and open it in a new tab. And now it will simply open in a new tab. So when you look at the bottom right hand corner, you see these 3 dots. Click on it, then you can see download button. Just click on your download button and you can now download your video from AliExpress. You can see the video I just downloaded. I can use it for my clients if I'm a virtual assistant, and if I own an e-commerce store, I can simply use it to showcase the product on the product page on my store. So if you want to check where this video is, simply go to your device download, and you can see now the video I just downloaded is there. All I need to do is click on it, and now my video will start playing. So now you can see that it is on my device and I can use it anytime I want. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.